In this video we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to convert a Disco 2 LT230 to a Defender LT230 that's going to have a big engine in front of it, so we're going to fit an ATB to this. So stick around. Right, this is going to be a very quick strip down of this, but before we start, let's see what the differences are. Well, let's tip it up like this. We've got to change over this shaft in here because this isn't suitable. It should have a little dog leg in it for a Defender. This is straight because it was cable operated. What else is different? Notice, no diff lock. See that? No diff lock on there. So we've got to get rid of that casing. That's no good. On the back here, this has got no speedo drive in it because it was a Disco 2. The Disco 2s worked their speedometer off the ABS sensors. But it's not the end of the world because they're going to fit... what are they going to fit in it? Oh, one of them digital speedos, you know... GPS speedos like I've got. Also, while we're looking at this here, there is a solenoid in here. I haven't got covers, but what I do is I take out the solenoid piece itself and put it back in. Next thing to look at, we've got to change a lot on this. The front flange is a lot bigger because it had a double cardan prop shaft, so we've got to get rid of that too. The actual box doesn't feel bad at all. Now, I bet we're in for some surprise. Well, not surprises, but I bet this has never been in low range. Bet you. They never were. So, without any further ado, I'm going to get into this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up the video so you don't have to suffer stripping one down again. So I'm going to be kind of quick because I've got to get this down to JP's to get him to put a bush in here. He's going to put a bush in there, so we'll get this stripped down because it's 3:30 now. I've been messing about with an R380 this morning, so there we go. that's it. Hope you like that. So we've got to, I've got to clean this up now. Wash it all down, get all the silicone off. Well, it's coming off anyway. Yeah, not bad box. Not bad at all. Hope you like that. See ya.